Well, welcome back to another Dynodaze video, and as you can see, a Milano Red FN2 Honda Civic TypeR on the dyno. It's a little bit dirty, but he's had a long drive from Fife, which is apparently a long way away. It's got some modifications that we're going to go through. It's got RRC, it's got a CPL Big bore, a Japspeed 4-to-1 and a Tegiwa 70mm. We're about to flash the stock ECU with ecutek software, giving us the ability to data log and start mapping. We'll see what she makes in standard form and we'll go from there. Here we go.
Well, another FN2 in the house.
Yeah.
This one's got all right, innit?
Yeah, travelled some distance today. This fella, to be fair. Fife, which is a real good journey.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Yeah, I think already had the round of mods on this car. So when we ran this car standardly, it had already got all the modifications. Now, when we say the car was running lean, I don't think it was running like dangerously lean or anything like that, but it's running on the lean side of where you would want to map to, let's put it that way. Obviously down to the fact that you're running on a standard map with obviously
this
modifications.
This is why they require fine-tuning.
That's right, require the fine-tuning. You have to do what you normally do, obviously get the fuel in right, gone through cam angle, gone through ignition time, gone through everything. Yeah, and ended up with a good result in my opinion.
243.
Yeah. Hey?
243 we finished.
Was that where I finished? 243? Yeah. Nice. No, I didn't think it was that high.
Yeah, 243. It came in at like 234.
Yeah.
Yeah, with the mods on it.
Yeah, with the mods on it.
We've made an extra 37 brake horsepower at $5,500.
Yeah.
Which is $1 per power that wasn't there before.
10-ish towards the top, which is nice.
Yeah, as I explained to the customer, you know, a lot of the mods that he's already bolted on, they're breathing mods. That's what's actually unlocking the potential of the K20.
That's right.
And then you've got to tune accordingly to it. But it's done really well. Now, this is his track toy. He's got several track toys, but this is the one that he wanted to be able to drive to where he wanted to go and be reliable. He's had a few Renaults.
Yeah.
He's had a few Renaults and he just wants to be able to go, I'm going to that track day and I'm going in this FN2. Which is what they're brilliant at, isn't it?
Yeah, they're really good. I mean, the engines are bulletproof, isn't they? As long as they've got oil and water in them, they're good to go.
Oh, I better check the oil on my K2. I better check the oil on my FN2 before I use it.
Yeah, well, the Colt was all right, so I'll check that.
Well, thanks, mate. At least one of us is doing that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, my Colt made some power. I might make a video about it, but...
yeah, I think we'll finish. We got some video. We did get some...
Yeah, I've got some
bits, didn't we?
Yeah, we could sit in it.
Yeah, we could sit in it and make a final video, I suppose, and put that together, can't we?
Yeah.
I think we should.
Yeah, my Colt K20 turbocharged Colt. We made some good power on that, so we'll do a video for you guys.
Yeah.
Do you want to look at this graph?
Yeah, let's have a look at this graph.
Let's have a look at this graph.
Okay, so red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. Plenty of power there. Big dollop in the mid-range as we lower the VTEC, extended the rev range out to 8.6, and we finish on 242 and 196 at the wheels. Really happy with that. So there she is, a dirty track car, but he's going to absolutely love that. It's going to transform the car. So code word for the video, if you've got to this point, is track day. Let us know if you're going on any track days this year, because we definitely need to attend some of ours. So we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
Will do.
Hey up, Jeno.
Hello, mate.
What are you working on today?
We've got a diesel FN.
A diesel FN.
some rear brakes and an aircon pump.
Oh, very good. And how's that going?
Cold. It's going well, but it's cold.
All right. Well, say bye to the boys and girls at home.
Goodbye.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.